Have you ever been forced to watch a presentation where the presenter displayed nothing but walls of text? Lists are a great way to organize and present key information into meaningful chunks. Numbered lists are great for sequencing information or showing procedures that require order. Unordered lists like bullets and dashes are great for organizing general ideas. In this video, we will discuss using lists and how to make them accessible for all users. When building lists, use the built-in list tool. This has a few advantages. The formatting stays consistent, screen readers can interpret them, and readability is improved for all users. Avoid using custom images or just typing the numbers or dashes, as assistive technologies won't be able to interpret them correctly.
My shopping list. *milk, *eggs, -butter, -chicken.
Thanks for your interest in making the world more accessible.